Sean, I am fascinated by this stat. Okay, follow me. 1 in 6 residents in Nevada are now over the age of 65.
Wow. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is amazing. I mean, you and I know we have an amazing senior population here in the Valley, but it just really, truly continues to grow, which makes it even more relevant why this morning we are talking about Medicare. Of course, that time to enroll in your Medicare plan,
Yeah.
it is upon us.
We were either going to talk about Medicare or bingo. This time it's going to be Medicare. Here with all the details we need.
I can talk about window. I can't call out numbers. So
Sherry Slowe, he's the
So
VP
fun.
of Communications with Alignment Health Plan. How are you, buddy?
I'm doing great today, and I really want to thank you guys for having me on. As you guys mentioned, it's such an important time for area seniors to be considering their healthcare coverage and their healthcare options. So it's really, really glad to join you today.
Certainly is important. Let's talk about Alignment Health Plan, what it is that you offer.
Absolutely. You know, Alignment Health Plan solely offers Medicare Advantage plans. And why Medicare Advantage plans are so interesting to consumers, and we're seeing really a high adoption rate of Medicare Advantage plans, is they include all the original benefits you get from original Medicare, the medical, the prescription drug coverage, but we offer so much more through our plans. And, you know, one of the things that we're really excited about is we're offering 3 new plans, Medicare Advantage plans here in Clark County to area residents. And I think it's really exciting. I'd love to share some information to you guys. But as you mentioned, we're really in an important time frame right now. It is open enrollment for seniors, Medicare eligible seniors. And that ends December 7th. So that's a really important time. And everybody's healthcare changes a little bit, you know, as we go through different journeys and experiences. So it's always important year after year to sort of review your options and consider what's really best for you.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's so true, Jerry. And you just mentioned that there was 3 health plans in particular you wanted to focus on. And maybe if you could just help explain, what Alignment in general offers that is different from other providers.
You know, that's a really great question. And I think sort of at the top of our discussion, I was mentioning how our core fundamental principle is putting the senior first. And by putting the senior first, we really focus in on access to care and access to service. Both are really, really important to us here at Alignment Health Plan. And, you know, what we do is we've introduced this new program. It's really exciting, called Access on Demand Concierge Services. And what this is in a nutshell is when you join an Alignment Health Plan, you have access to this program, the Access on Demand Concierge. You get 24-hour access to a concierge service representative who can help you navigate your benefits, help you access your doctor appointments, things of that nature. But we also have a really cool, unique feature called the Access on Demand Black Card. And what this Black Card is, and it's available to all members at no cost, which is, I think, really an exciting feature as well. And each month we load allowance dollars onto the Black Card that you can use in retail environments to purchase eligible over-the-counter benefits. And this is really important now that we're in the flu and COVID season and everybody's dealing with so much. But to have this, if you think about it, from $50 to $100, depending on the plan you select, you get that monthly that you can go into CVS, Walmart. You can use this online as well to get your sort of over-the-counter needs. You know, like it could be like, you know, rubbing alcohol, gloves, vitamins, things of that nature.
Oh, Vicks Vapor Rub.
Yes, and it's really also, we've also sort of, you know, we've all been on a journey, certainly this last year, in terms of the challenge in some cases to access healthcare, right? With the pandemic and everything of that nature. So what we've done this year, we've introduced a new product called AVA HMO. It's a virtual first healthcare plan, Medicare Advantage healthcare plan. Basically, what that means is you get a virtual PCP and you have access to virtual specialists at $0 copay.
Wow.
Now, you'll always have access to doctors in person and things of that nature, but it's a $0 copay. And we also, with this AVA HMO, you get a $50 monthly rebate to your Part B plan. So that's an incredible savings, as well as creating an environment for easy access to care, safe access to care. And once again, these are $0 virtual visits. It's really, really exciting. But, you know, I think one of the things we go a little bit above and beyond is we look at the senior from the entire perspective of what their lifestyle journey and their healthcare journey is. And so we also offer additional benefits like transportation to and from a doctor appointment if it's needed, grocery benefits for qualifying plans and members, and a really exciting thing called Grandkids on Demand, which is companion care in essence.
Oh.
Really important because I feel a little inflated sometimes. So
something for everyone. If we want to learn more about Alignment, where do we go? How do we get started?
Yeah, absolutely. If you want to learn more about Alignment Healthcare, I think the really important thing is you can visit our website at alignmenthealthplan.com. But more importantly, everybody's healthcare journey is a little different, and it's often helpful to speak to somebody. And
Jerry, it's great having you, my friend.
Look out for our seniors. We appreciate you.
Our pleasure.
If you want to learn more about Alignment Health Plan, just go to alignmenthealthplan.com. You can also go to that number, open 8 to 8, 7 days a week. They will be off for Thanksgiving and Christmas as they deserve. And Alignment Health Plan, a proud sponsor of The Morning Blend.